Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. As you know, I am solving the specialization course on Coursera, namely Python for everybody. I have already solved course 1 and course 2, and in this video I am solving course 3 week 4. So the course name is using Python to assess web data, and for course 1 and 2 you can get solution in the playlist of Deepcode Guru. You go and check the playlist, so you can see here course 1 and course 2. Even I have provided solution for deep learning, Google IT support, and NPTEL problem I am also solving and updating the solution. So you can subscribe my channel and stay tuned with Deepcode Guru. Soon I will also launch the website and introduce all with the Deepcode Guru website, so you can find those solution easily and get the all videos in the particular format. So now let's get started. You can also join the Telegram group of Deepcode Guru. You can find link in video description, guys. So as you know, I am solving weekly wise. So this is the 6th week course. So already I have solved 3 week in 3 different video, and in this I will solve the 4th week. Okay guys, so in 4th week I am going to solve, and in next 2 more video I will complete this in 5th video, and in 6th part 1 and 2 I will make and I will solve. Okay. So now I am going to start this. So as you know, I am providing those all quiz plus programming as well as how
It's a short program, but we're going to make it
so
even shorter.
Green tick done. So I am playing video until I am not
Techniques for parsing HTML next.
Okay, I got the green tick completed. So like this I am also going to solve other specialization courses soon. So you subscribe and stay tuned with the
Very charming things that people really like about
Python.
Python.
Of our community. Don't forget to share this video with your colleagues, friends and group. Definitely appreciate you for sharing the information. So done. Now it is assignment, so I am going to solve this assignment, and there is 2 external tools assignment, so we will solve also that. So this is quiz. So I will pause this video, solve this quiz, and then after I will resume, so I can save your time and optimize the time video length. Now guys, you can see I have completed it. So I will zoom it and show you. For first there is file handle. For second question, mysock.recov. For third question, href equal to and dot plus in the small bracket, and in fourth there is mysock.recov. In fifth, content type dash content type. Okay, in sixth, that the website allows scraping. In seventh, it repairs and parts HTML to make it easier for programmer to understand. In 8, a list of all anchor tags in HTML from the URL. In 8, UTF-8. In 10, 71. For 11th, line, and for 12, Unicode, and for 13, decode. So if you feel I am faster, then please you pause this video and complete the assignment. Now I am going to submit it. So now you can see yes, code is 92.3. So it is done guys. Okay, one is wrong. Okay, no worries, 80% we only want. So I will move on. And now I am going to solve the graded assignment. Okay, so here is scrubbing HTML data with beautiful soap. So this is using beautiful soap we are going to solve here. Okay, so here this is the assignment. So I will first solve it, and then after I will resume it and show you, so I can save your time and optimize the video. So guys, to solve this you have to go in you have to open the online DB. So you can just go on your browser and type online, okay, and DB, online DB you type and click enter, okay. Then after you have to go and open this, okay, and then after you go and select Python 3, and this is the code actually you have to paste. So this code you have to go and type. So I will zoom it so you can see it, okay. So you type this code, and you can pause this video and type this code, guys, if you are feeling discomfort, okay. Because I want you learn, you just don't copy and paste, otherwise I would keep in the video comment section also, but I want you go through the code, okay guys. So this is the code you have to write, exactly you have to write, and this is Python. So take care about indentation, so you don't do any mistake in indentation, otherwise you will get problem, okay. Then after we will go and run this sample, okay. So I am going to zoom out it and run it, okay, and Control Shift V and enter. Sometime it takes time to give the data due to net speed and other factor. So you can see here it is taking time, it is not showing me data, right guys, you can see it is not showing. So you need not to worry, just you stop in that case, and again you copy this code and again reload the page, okay, reload. So it happen, it is frequently it happen, you need not to worry, and again you paste the code, and again I will go and copy this, okay, and I will go back and I will run again, okay. Control Shift V, enter. So you can see here count is 15 and sum is 2553. So count is 15 and the sum is, you can see that is our work is done for the sample data is correct. Now we have to go and run our actual data. So for actual we need this URL. Even you can do in local address, you need not to worry, but I want to make the things easier for you, so I am telling you the optimal way. Control Shift V, enter. So you can see it again, it is taking time. So I think it will not complete here, I will again reload the page and run. So same procedure you have to follow. It's happen, it is common thing, you need not to get more hectic about this. You just in that case you do reload the page and complete the work. Control V, again I will go, I will copy this, okay, I will come back, I will run again, and Control Shift V, I will paste this, enter. So this may not run 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 5 times. This happen, this will happen, this is common thing. Still it is not working, you can see guys. Again I will stop and run this, okay, okay. So you can hear there is refresh page it required, okay. So this happen, you need not to worry. I am not just cutting this video, I am just showing you that you will face this issue, okay. So you can see here something it is showing. You need not to worry, you keep on trying, it will give the actual output. Alright, so I am keeping on. You can see here now it is not working. I have to stop and again try it. So it sometimes it stuck. Okay. So enter. You can see I have already tried 4 times, but still I am not getting. So guys, you try to understand this happen. This is the common problem. Control X again. I will refresh, reload it. Okay, and I will again go and take this. This is the actual data we need, right guys? And I will again run it. Control V. Okay. And now you can see here the count is 50 and sum is 2478. So this is done 2478. So ending with 78. So sum is 2478 guys, and our code is this. So you can see with multiple try I solved this, right guys? So you need not to worry once 5 times, 6 times, even sometime it will take 20 times, and sometime even 20 times will not be enough. So you can see here your answer is correct. So you keep on trying, you wait and keep on trying, and you are getting more problem, then guys you can contact me, I will help you out. So I will refresh it. Okay guys, so you can see here this is done, and 100% our score is 100%. Okay guys, I hope you are now clear. Okay, and now I am going to solve this next graded assignment. Open it. Okay guys, so this is the things actual, I am showing you the actual things, and this is again. So here I will again go and run this and complete it. So I will pause this video and I will set up everything, and then I will go. So as you know, I will open the again, I will use the same this online DB platform, and I will change this code, and then I will come back here. Okay guys, so now I will pause this video. So in this case guys, you can see here this is this data in link we have to put, and 4 and 3 input. So already after 7 times try I got this. So I will don't want to again run this and waste your time. In actual data I will run and show you, so I can also optimize your time, and after running the actual data I will show you the code. So you can see here I have put this URL, okay, and then 4 3, and you can see here this is 1 2 3 4 5 line the output we got, and this is Anya, and you can see here also the last is Anya. Okay, so this is the sample data, and now I am going to put the actual data. So for actual data this is the link. Okay guys, and we have to enter what the value we have to enter. In that first one we have to enter 4 3, and here we have to enter repetition 7 18. We have to enter 7 18, and the last load with M. So 7 18. Okay guys, 7 18 we will enter for actual data. So this is link 7 18. So you can see here it is showing wrong, no worry, keep on trying, keep on trying. Okay, 7 18. So it takes multiple times, sometimes it is stuck, sometimes network issue, sometimes some difficulties. This is natural to happen with this code, so you need not to worry guys. I will go to next page and I will try. I will reload this page. I have opened two tabs with online DB. You can also open and run like that, so it will be easier for you. Okay, so copy. Okay, we will go in this tab. Okay, okay, and I have to 718, right? Copy this, copy this, run, Control V, 718. So you can see this is third time I am running, but still no way I am getting. So this happen, guys, this happen. You need not to get hurry. 718. This is fifth time I am trying. So these processes are very natural to take the multiple times. Keep on trying, you will get the result at end. I try and try. I am not getting here. I will go this page again. Okay, so I am trying in two different tabs. So I am expecting soon I will complete. So I can complete this video with minimum time, right, guys? I will copy this. Okay, run this. Control Shift V. What happened? Okay, 718. So I am trying and trying. I am not getting anything. Here, not get anything. Okay, so it happened. This is around 9 time I am checking this. Keep on trying. I think I have to pause this video and complete it because it may take multiple try and the video will be long. So okay, 718. So I am trying, but still I am not getting anything in the hand. Okay, I will reload the page. So this is natural to happen for this code. So you guys, you need not to worry. Okay, then my net speed is also one reason behind it. Okay, so I will open the new online DB and I will try it. Okay, online DB. Okay, Python 3. So this happen, guys, this happen. So you need not to get worry. You just keep on trying. 718. Still this time also I am not getting. Okay, I will keep on I will. 718. Now you can see, boom, we have done it. So guys, you can see here after 12 times try, I done it, and the answer is Mikle, right? So I will submit this and then after I will show you the code, right, guys? So in what format? Okay, the name is this and the code is this. So earlier it was seeming it is not true, but it is true. You keep on trying because I am solving, I know what's happening. Okay, so you can see here your answer is correct. And now I will submit it. So guys, after submission I will again here refresh this page and I will show you this code, and then after I will show you the code. Otherwise you may be doubt how much score you are going to get. Okay, 100% score you got, right guys? And now this is the code guys. So I will zoom it the little bit, I will zoom it. So this is the code guys. Okay, so for this already the video is long, so I don't want to pause this and wait here the long. You just pause this and complete it. Okay guys, you just type the same way, and please you do yourself by typing. You don't ask for this code. Here I am providing itself by surname, and this is the correct process. Even you may take 30 times to get the answer, right guys? So you need not to worry, you just follow it the procedure. If you get more confusion, more stuff, then you can contact me. I will be there to help you out. Okay guys, so now I am going to solve this bonus. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will tell you only. Already I have completed, but still
Last month I was off in
completing this for you only. So you increase my subscriber and community.
You guys are all going to be on YouTube.
So I will also get more encouragement to learn the different solutions, different courses. Okay guys. So this is the end of week 4, and in the next video you will get next video week 5, and then after I will provide week 6. So please guys, you don't forget to subscribe my channel and also join the Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru. Stay safe at home, stay learning, stay tuned with Deep Codec Guru. Have a good time and don't forget to subscribe Deep Codec Guru.